Calibrating your graphics settings in Baldur's Gate 3 can enhance your gaming experience by optimizing performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the graphics settings. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and navigate to the main menu. From there, select Options and then click on the Graphics tab to access the graphics settings. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the Graphics Settings menu, locate the Resolution option. Choose a resolution that matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. If performance is an issue, consider lowering the resolution slightly. Step 3. Set quality presets. Look for the quality presets section. You can choose from options like low, medium, high, or ultra. Select the preset that balances visual fidelity and performance based on your system's capabilities. Step 4. Customize individual settings. For more granular control, scroll through the individual graphic settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings based on your preferences and the performance of your hardware. Step 5. Test and save changes. After making your adjustments, apply the changes and enter game to test performance. If you notice any lag or issues, return to the settings to make further adjustments. Once satisfied, save your changes. By following these steps, you can calibrate the graphic settings in Baldur's Gate 3 to suit your preferences and hardware capabilities, ensuring an enjoyable gaming experience.